Draganfly has been granted the Transport Canada Special Flight Operations Certificate for beyond visual line of sight and operations above 400 feet as part of our ongoing commitment to support wildfire suppression. This authorization allows Draganfly to rapidly deploy drones to cover a larger regional perimeter than ever before for the acquisition of essential critical data to aid with early identification in wildfire suppression operations. The real-time data and situational awareness provided by our drones will help firefighters identify and manage hotspots while ensuring communities remain safe. Wildfires continue to pose a serious threat to communities and natural resources. But with approval from Transport Canada, Draganfly is now positioned to provide the comprehensive and reliable drone technology and services to meet challenges created by wildfires to help safeguard lives and property by mitigating risk.